In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve email deliverability in Keap. The goal here is simple. We want to increase the chances that your emails land in the inbox instead of the spam or junk folder. In Keap, that starts with proper domain authentication, which helps email providers trust the messages you send. First, log into your Keap CRM. Keap strongly recommends using your own custom business domain rather than a free email domain because your sending reputation and authentication settings play a big role in deliverability. Once you're inside Keap, go to your profile and click on Settings. From the Settings area, find and click on Domains. This is where you'll connect and verify the domain you want to use for sending email. Next, click on Connect Email Domain. Then type in your email domain carefully, making sure it matches the domain you use for business email. After that, click Next. On the next screen, click on Create or Update DMARC Record. DMARC is an email authentication policy that tells receiving mail servers how to handle messages that fail authentication checks. In simple terms, it helps protect your domain from spoofing and improves trust in your emails. Now type in your email address, then click Next again. Keap will now walk you through the DNS records that need to be added or confirmed for your domain. Click on the first item, SPF. SPF stands for Sender Policy Framework. This record tells email providers which servers are allowed to send email on behalf of your domain. It helps prevent unauthorized senders from pretending to be you. Then click on the second item, DKIM. DKIM stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail. This adds a digital signature to your outgoing email, which helps receiving servers verify that the message was really sent by your domain and wasn't altered along the way. Next, click on the third item, which is another DKIM-related record. Keap may provide multiple authentication entries depending on your setup. These records work together to strengthen the identity of your sending domain. After that, click on the fourth item, DMARC. Here, copy the records that Keap provides and paste them into your DNS settings with your domain host. This step is very important because your DNS is where these authentication rules actually get published for the internet to verify. Once everything has been added, return to Keap and click Finish. As a best practice, if you're setting up a new Keap account, always start with domain authentication first, and then clean your list before sending a large broadcast. That gives you a much stronger foundation for better deliverability. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.